Welcome back, friends. And suppose in one fine day when you are using your phone and you just press the phone button to call you and you see that call logs are not here, then what will you do? This video is about that thing. Means this will address that issue, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix call logs not showing on Android mobiles, how to fix call history. So welcome back, guys, and if you are new to this channel, you are requested to kindly subscribe this channel for future updates. Kindly press the bell icon also. So not wasting much of your time, there are few things which needs to be done when you see that call logs are not coming. The first thing you will the universal thing that switch the mobile off, then again switch on it, means that reboot the mobile, restart the mobile. 90% 80% problems will go by restarting the mobile if the problem is related to the software side. That was due to the some data flags which are causing the mobile to be hang. So the second thing, you just need to, if your phone is asking for any software update, just update it. So that may be the cause of that problem. So if you have done both the things, then and the problem is still there, then few things you need to do. Just go to the setting, go to the apps, then go to the phone. So just search from here phone app. Just here is the phone app, tap on it. Now you need to see this very carefully, if the permission is there or not. Means see the call log permission is there or not. It should be there. So calling app should be phone. Then if both the things are there, then you need to just you have checked the both things. Here call log is there, and then calling app is phone. This needs to be insured. Then if both things are okay, then go to the storage, go to the clear cache, then clear data. Don't worry, nothing will happen. If you have done, then force stop it. Okay, if you have done all the things, then go back and restart the phone. This time that call log should appear. Then these are 3-4 points. First I will tell you very short. First, restart the phone. Second, update the software. Third, go to the settings, then force stop it. Permissions are given or not for storing the call log, and that's all. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel, and please forward the video on social media platforms so that your friends can also be get benefited. Thank you very much, guys.